Okay, so this is the second part of page 10. It says identify and describe the cell structures involved in processing energy, and then draw and label those two structures. So our main structures that we're looking for here are the mighty mitochondria and chloroplast. So cell structures involved in processing energy. You want your mitochondria and your chloroplast. Okay, the mitochondria, kind of kidney bean shaped, and within them they have a cristae. Okay, this is where your mighty mitochondria is making energy for your cells in the form of ATP. Chloroplasts are a little bit more oval shaped, and they have what looks like stacks of quarters in there. And these quarters are the thylakoid membranes. Okay, these are found in plants. All right, those are your structures involved in processing cellular energy. Describe the fundamental roles of plastids, such as chloroplasts and mitochondria, in energy transformations. Just basically, your mitochondria is going to be taking in that glucose energy that was a product of photosynthesis, and it's going to be turning it into ATP, where the chloroplasts are taking solar energy. That's a mitochondria. This is a chloroplast. Thylakoids, cristae. Okay. Solar energy is going into the chloroplast, and that's going to be making glucose. Okay, so those are your basic energy transformations that take place in those two membrane-bound organelles. All right. Compare the basic transformation of energy during photosynthesis and cellular respiration. If you want to, you can come back to this other page 10 video and take a closer look at the photosynthesis and cellular respiration equation that I wrote down. I don't think that I need to go over that again. Okay, the sample questions that were on page 10. Okay, photosynthesis and cellular respiration are two major processes of carbon cycling in living organisms. Which statement correctly describes one similarity between photosynthesis and cellular respiration? Okay, we're not going to say A, because photosynthesis does not happen in animal cells. We're not going to say C, because cellular respiration does not convert light energy into chemical energy. And we're not going to say D, both make organic molecules as end products, because photosynthesis is the only one that's making that glucose, that energy-rich organic molecule. Carbon dioxide is just a byproduct here, not actually a something that's being synthesized. So the best fitting answer here would be B. They both include reactions that transform energy. D is a little bit confusing because when you look for organic molecules, you see the carbon here after cellular respiration, but it's not the best answer. So again, it's one of those confusing Keystone questions. This one's a little easier. Using a microscope, a student observes a small green organelle in a plant cell. Which energy transformation most likely occurs first within the organelle? ATP to light, light to chemical, heat to electrical, chemical to chemical. Well, really the only one here that makes any sense is B. In a green chloroplast, in a plant cell, solar energy or light energy is being transformed into chemical energy in the form of glucose. So that actually ends page 10.